Kemm il-darba smajna stejjer dwar l-imħabba, iżda żgur li l-iktar storja magħrufa u li tmiss il-qlub ta' bosta hi Romeo and Juliet. Din l-istorja popolari issa qiegħda tiġi interpretata bis-sem ta' ballerini barranin fix-Xara Lodge fil-limiti tar-Rabat, waħda l-ħamis u l-oħra l-ħadd filgħaxija. Dan qed isir bl-għajnuna tal-Malta Arts Events. Tkellimna mal-koreografu minn Praga Jiří Horak li spjega l-iskop ta' din l-attività.
Only 10 dancers and we try to keep the story about Romeo and Julieta, so we also keep the main roles, which is moving the story, and the best numbers from the Prokofiev, Romeo and Julieta on the music piece.
U semma s-sagrifiċċju l-preparazzjoni li saret minn dawn iż-żeffina professjonali.
We prepared it about 1 month, and I asked the best dancers from National Theatre Prague, who who has a big experience about the classical ballet and also the engagement abroad.
Jiří qalilna li ma jil aktar xena li tolqtu.
The balcony stage or it's farewell from Romeo and Julieta and from the third act. So, but the balcony stage is probably the most popular.
Wieħed jista' jikseb il-biljetti billi jidħol fis-sit elettroniku www.ticketline.com.mt.